Looking for no-code or low-code automation tool in 2025? Today, we are diving into an honest review of N8N, an open source workflow automation tool that's been gaining a lot of traction. Let's explore the real pros and cons, no fluff, just facts. What is N8N? N8N stands for No Automation, and it is an open source platform that lets you automate tasks by connecting apps like Slack, Google Sheets, Notion, and even custom APIs. Think Zapier or Make, but with way more control, especially if you are tech savvy. It is self-hostable, but also available in the cloud if you do not want to manage servers. Flexibility. First major pro is flexibility. Unlike other automation platforms, N8N allows JavaScript functions, conditional logic, and custom API calls. You can go from self workflows to full blown backend automations. If you are a developer or a power user, N8N's power is unmatched, open source and self hosting. Second pro, it's open source. That means you can self host it for free, customize it to your needs, and keep your data private. This makes it perfect for businesses with strict compliance requirements or anyone who hates vendor lock in. Pro number three, affordable cloud plans. Do not want to self host? N8N's cloud plans in 2025 are still much cheaper than Zapier, especially at scale. You get unlimited workflows and executions starting at reasonable monthly rates. Now let's talk about the cons because as we know, nothing is perfect. Con number one is the steeper learning curve. It is not beginner friendly. If you are coming from something like Zapier, N8N might feel overwhelming. The interface is powerful, but can be confusing for newcomers, especially when dealing with expressions, nodes, and nested logic. Con number two, setup and hosting hassles. Self-hosting isn't easy. You will need some technical skills to install, update, and secure your server. For non-technical users, this can be a major hurdle. Cloud solves this, but you will lose some flexibility and privacy. Con number three, limited support in the ecosystem. Compared to giants like Zapier, N8N has a smaller community and fewer pre-built integrations. That is improving fast in 2025, but it is still not quite as plug and play as some other tools. Conclusion. Now, who should use N8N? You can use N8N if you want flexibility, control, and affordability. But if you are a beginner or need fast out of the box automations, maybe this might not be the best option for you. In conclusion, N8N is a powerhouse, especially for developers, startups, and privacy focused teams. Just know what you are getting into. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.